Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy Effect, and please, if you are new to the channel, please do what subscribe to the channel, like the video. You can also share the link to your friends so that they can also watch and learn. Actually, this is no indicator settings. I actually don't like using indicators, to be very honest with you, and I love using price action. I love using support and resistance. Okay, so this is a crash 300. Sorry, this is a crash 300, and we've already given out signals to the VIP. We've given out 3 signals. This was one of it. The step index, we smashed the TP, and here is a crash 300. This is how it started, and we also gave today, we gave one other signal that was VIX 75. So this was it. By the VIX 75, we were able to smash the TP, and this was a video of us smashing the TP. And here is the signal on the group. And we took a loss on the C300 earlier on. That was yesterday. So yeah, we have losses, but we do more of the wins. And we lost the VIX 75, and we recover with the VIX 51S. So that's how the VIP group, more wins and less losses. So please, if you want to join the Global team, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp number. You can hit me up from there. And if you want to join the free Telegram channel, the link is also there. Of course, we gave a free signal on the free Telegram channel. Sorry. Give a free signal. This was it. By the 50. When I gave it to the team, I also shared it with them as well. So the free signal group, yeah, sometimes we give free signal, sometimes we don't. So I think this is the first or the second one from this month already, and you don't have to stay there and wait for a long time. So back to the chart. You see that this is the 4-hour time frame. If you've been watching previous videos, you know that I always talk about having things like this in check. Okay, having stuff like this in check. So presently, this is the daily time frame, the 24-hour time frame, and you've seen that within this level here, there's been a repetitive pattern starting from this part here. At this level here, rejection, and here was a support. So, and here was a resistance. So if you check on the 4-hour time frame, which I suppose we got some of these positions from around some level, like here, it's quite obvious here, quite obvious here. So there are a lot of things to check out. I'm not using my computer right now, so I can't really see the whole screen. So you've seen that we've had this position in check, and if you check here, once there was a break from this previous level, market went to this position, dropped, came back to break this position, but couldn't really do it. It tried on the within the 4-hour time frame, but it's the seller still had the market in game. So this place has proven to be a very strong resistance. Okay, so that's why earlier on, that was I stepped out, so I just got back to meet this signal. Okay, like we made profit from it, but I wasn't active and I didn't set a TP or any of those. So at this level here, the market was here, this was the 15 minutes, sorry, this was the 15 minutes. So when market got to that level there, I had to tell them that we have reached a support level, that they should secure what they can. And now let's go to that time frame. That was 15 minutes. So here's the 15 minutes. You see now, this was the support that I talked about. Let's put horizontal line there. So I told them support reach. Why? Because this was the previous low, which was expected to break. But at the same time, while expecting it to break, you also have to expect that it can actually return from that position. So from there, you also look at your higher time frame, and you've seen that this was an uptrend even before market started ranging used on the 4 hours. okay, even before market started ranging on the 4 hour. And now that you're using the 4 hour, you've seen that this our newfound support was actually a resistance here, where market pulled up from here down here, couldn't break it. Same thing happened here, but when it finally broke that level, it went up to test this position that has happened previously. After testing this position, it still came down here to this previous resistance, which now turned to a support, and it made the game clearer. So that's why, without even using indicator, you can still figure out things. Okay, you can still figure out the market very accurately. So you've seen that this place actually on the 4 hour is still very active. This place on the 4 hour is still very active. Okay, so that gives you more insight into the market. So now that market broke this level, retested this position and started dropping, your first TP at least, okay, will be this place before you start going for other structures. Okay, so you see that this position here was actually retested before even being retested here, and on the 4 hours it was actually resistance. Okay, so you see, I did not even see that. I saw it is only on the 15 minutes that I saw this and decided to put this here, not knowing that on the 4 hours this place has held the market tight in some instances, like these ones here. So using price action makes market more interesting to look at. Without even indicators, you can still make it more out of the market. Okay, so the same thing applies to the VIX 75, crash, boom, and all synthetic indices. Now, if you watched my previous video, you will remember that I talked about if you watched my previous video, okay, I'm going to show you. I think I have a clip of it, so just watch this next part of the video to see this. Now let me see if we can get something here. This is not actually a channel, but it's trying to create something like that. But you won't also be really there. That's why your chart might actually be dirty, but by the time you start seeing things, you can now start taking them off. These ones with things that I observed on the lower time frame, but don't also forget that this is the 4 hours, and the 4 hours is a very perfect time frame. So that notwithstanding, market might just have to buy back to cover up for the double bottom that we found, and come to respect this trend. So you won't take all of this out. You won't take it like you won't just forget about all these facts that I'm telling you. You can listen to this video and jot these things down. Okay, higher time frame, look for the strong support and resistance. Okay, you've seen that everything here is actually just the way it's supposed to be. This place has held till this very moment, and even till now, and even on this second point here. So you see that on the higher time frame, this is a very strong level. And just imagine this, our entry was somewhere around here, so, and our SL was a bit above this. So you see, it's very important for you to understand all these things. This also works on the, so now you've seen that, and you've seen that now I have extended this position to this level. Now I talked about trading a channel. Now this is, you can use this to actually trade a channel. This is the H4. I'm sorry, I'm not with my laptop at the moment to show you guys that. When I previously drew this, you've seen on the video that I actually didn't extend it to this level yet, but now you've seen that it works, and this position has been a very strong support, that once it got to this level, it now started playing back, retesting this position too. So using price action to trade is actually one of the best. So on this note, our mentorship class is running, and you can actually join the mentorship class. The VIP signal is also running. So if you want VIP signals, the description of this video carries the link to my WhatsApp and also to the free Telegram channel, and you can text for WhatsApp and we can talk about the mentorship, account management, and all of that. So you've seen that this is a very sweet strategy to use. Now you've seen that now market got to this level and it has started rejecting because, man, I don't really have to explain this. So there are a lot of things you are going to learn in our mentorship class. So just do well to join us. And if you've also seen, I have this purple support. So I don't want to take it out because it might be actually useful later, okay? Because market may actually buy up and you now remember, oh, there was something going on here, and you now know how to observe this market. So I've been on this chart for like a very long period, a very like months now, okay? If I'm not mistaken, I've been on this for months now, okay? So you've seen that all this, even before market broke this level, this trend line has been there. So you see that everything has been working out. Since it broke this level, it has been finding it difficult to go back up. So this might actually be the point at which market might actually go back to retest this trend line and also this resistance, because this is still, it was a resistance that was here. I think if I go back to the 30 minutes and I'm able to bring that let's go to the 1 hour. You see why I drew that place was because it actually served a purpose. I can't really pinpoint it, but it actually served the purpose, and I had to put that there before we started seeing this downtrend. So that being said and done, this works on all the assets that you can think of, all assets you can think of. So now this is the H4. This works on step index. It's been a very long time I actually analyzed this step index. So now see this is a very strong resistance, and you've seen that it's worked here until it broke that level, came down, and now it has retested that position. So if you're following it up, you now know, oh, okay, this is a chance to sell, and you can set your SL just above the your trend your horizontal line, your support or your resistance, because now this is a resistance. Okay, this is a resistance. And also, if you've noticed, we also have another support that has held here. So market is actually a very sweet thing to understand, so you can't just take it off. So if you want to join us, I've told you how to link up with me, and thank you for watching this video. I wish you guys a very successful December and you make more profits than you've ever. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next video.